Hello guys, for today's video, we're going to trade the new neon mochi meow. Look how cute she is. Let's go. Okay, we got a trade, let's go. So in here, I was checking the value. So many old pets and neon. She feels over, so she decided if I could remove some of the pets. But at first I didn't get it because I was reading her text fast. This is our first trade, and it will be the last trade, LOL. What do you think of the trade, WFL? Yay! This is the trade that we made earlier. The total value of mochi is only 6 if no pot. So it's a win for us. That's all for today. Hit the subscribe and like button for more videos. Thank you.